to Miranda's World, and today I'm going to do a slime smoothie because we reached 30 subscribers. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. And I didn't upload a video ever since like how to set a squishy. That was my last upload, and that was 2 weeks ago. So I really needed to upload, but I just never had the time to, and like editing and stuff was hard. But I seriously not just got up, but I got up and looked on my phone, and under my like YouTube studio, it said I reached 30 subscribers, and the 30th subscriber was Slime and Squishies. I don't really know. Like, I'll put her name in the description box. So yeah, let's just get on to the video. Okay, so I got my bin, and I'm going to be only for some of them I'm only going to be mixing like half of them in, so I'm sorry about that, but others I'm mixing all of them in. So yeah, I'm super excited. So let's just get on to it. So the first one is, I'm going to turn my flash on. The first one is this grape soda or grape Laffy Taffy slime. And here it is. It's kind of glossy and fluffy. So, and that. Okay. So next is only a half of a cloud slime, because I didn't want to mix all the cloud slime in. So in that goes. Next is this like glossy clear slime, and this one's called Pink Lemonade, and it's a very nice slime. Next is what I call blue raspberry icy. So in that goes. And next is this and I don't got a lot of slime, so yeah. But next is this light blue fluffy slime, because after this I only have one more slime. Yeah, I know, it's like really sad, but it's okay. I'm gonna like try spreading it out. I'm gonna put like the snow slime there. Okay, but the last slime, well, I'm going to mix it up, and depending what color it makes, I may add another slime. But the next slime is this turquoise slime, and I used to call this turtle, and I keep hitting the camera, I'm sorry. I'm going to put that right there in the corner. So now we are going to mix, and I'm going to put you down a little farther so like you're over top of it. Okay, so now we're going to mix it all up.
Oh my gosh. It looks so cool. I keep hitting the camera. Guys, pause the video and comment what color you think it's gonna be. But actually, you don't really have to, but whatever. I'm so excited. It looks like cotton candy in a way. What was that? It's turning out like I don't really know. But it's turning out kind of like that. I have no idea what color it's turning out to be, because it's not fully mixed, but I'm moving away from the camera. You can see this tripod. It's okay. So it's really big. Well, not really big, but big. Okay, so it turned out to be like this lavender color. So now, I guess I'm going to add in my other slime. which is this green, like, cloud slime. So, I'm going to add that in. I'm kind of excited to see what color this is going to make, but it's actually not turning out bad. It's not fully mixed, but I don't think it's going to turn out brown. So that's good. So,
yeah, that's technically the slime. Well, that is the slime smoothie. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And just thank you guys so much for 30 subscribers. And with being it to 50, I don't know what I'm going to do, but just thank you so much for 30 subscribers. And yeah, guys, don't forget to share with your friends, and maybe we can reach 35. My goal is 35 in the next, what's today? By the end of June. I believe we can do it. So make sure you just smash that like button and the subscribe button. And comment #PandaSquad to get a shout out in my next video. But obviously for today's shout out, it goes to, I think it was Slime and Squishies. I'm not sure, but I'll put her name up on the screen. She was my 30th subscriber. So yeah, this slime turned out amazing, and I love the color of it. So yeah, bye guys.